In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Windows app of Pinterest. By the end, you'll have a clean app-like version of Pinterest on your desktop that opens in its own window and is easy to launch anytime. This works best on Windows 10 or 11 with a modern browser like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. First, open your preferred browser and go to Pinterest.com. If you already have an account, sign in so the app immediately shows your personalized feed once it's installed. Being signed in also helps the app remember your settings and keep your boards and pins in sync. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look toward the top right of the page for your account menu. You'll find a menu where Pinterest groups your options under something labeled Settings and Support. Click that to open the menu. This is where Pinterest places the shortcut to install its Windows app, so you don't have to hunt through your system settings or the Microsoft Store. Next, click Install the Windows app. When you do, your browser will trigger a small installation prompt from Windows. Confirm by selecting Install. In a moment, Pinterest will open in its own dedicated window without the usual browser tabs or address bar, making it feel and behave like a native desktop app. From now on, it will run separately from your browser, launch faster, and keep you focused on your boards and the recommendations. Notifications, if you have them enabled, will work just like any other Windows app notification. If you don't see the Install the Windows app option, try refreshing the page, updating your browser, or opening Pinterest in Edge or Chrome, which fully support installing web apps on Windows. Also, make sure you're on the main Pinterest.com site and signed in. Sometimes the option is labeled simply Install App, but it does the same thing. After installation, you can open Pinterest from your Start menu by typing Pinterest into search. If you use it often, consider pinning it to your taskbar or Start for quicker access. Your login should carry over, but if you're prompted to sign in the first time, just enter your credentials once and you'll stay signed in going forward. That's all you need to do. You went to Pinterest.com, opened Settings and Support, and selected Install the Windows app. Enjoy the cleaner, faster experience and happy pinning. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any part to review the steps, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.